grâce à l'outil.
From the start, Archicad was created with the desire to help the architect and the detailed creation of building projects. But in this case, Archicad also helped us in considering the broader aspects of city planning. Archicad also enabled us to achieve the reversibility we were talking about between the two phases, the athletes' village and the so-called legacy phase, which will subsequently become housing. The renovation tool has enabled us to see the existing project for the athletes' village and to highlight what will be demolished later on, to move on to a projected version for the legacy phase. So actually with this tool we could very quickly move from one phase to the other, and be able to work on the reversibility of each space, each dwelling, each building, even certain facades where we'll have to put in an elevator that will be in the athletes' village phase and will be removed afterward, so we'll have to rework the facade. We were able to highlight this reversibility playfully.
However, it's still necessary to draw the buildings in these two phases in parallel at every stage of the project. When you apply for a building permit, you submit it for the athletes' village and the legacy phase as well. With the partition, with the elevator. Without the partition, without the second elevator. So there's this tedious work of racking our brains to find the right solution and being as frugal as possible. With a little means, everything is reversible, but the idea was to spend as little money and resources as possible for reversibility.
The software enabled us to visualize all these changes quite quickly, which would have been very complicated by superimposing plans each time. So this software has enabled us to save time, to build a little more intelligently too, and to foresee issues or problems, and avoid having them during construction, to address them right away in the design phase.